The RX 970 XT has officially arrived, making waves in the gaming world with AMD's claims of game-changing performance, AI-driven enhancements, and significant improvements in ray tracing. With leaked benchmarks suggesting it could compete with NVIDIA's high-end offerings, expectations are high. However, does it truly live up to the hype, or is it another overhyped product that fails to deliver? This video will dissect its performance, pricing, and overall value proposition to determine whether the RX 970 XT is worth your hard-earned money. For years, AMD has been striving to catch up with NVIDIA, particularly in areas like ray tracing and AI-powered graphics. NVIDIA has long dominated the high-end GPU market with its DLSS technology and superior ray tracing capabilities. While AMD has made steady progress, its offerings have often struggled to match NVIDIA's real-world gaming performance. With the RX 970 XT, AMD aims to change that narrative. The card is being positioned as a true competitor to NVIDIA's high-end GPUs, boasting significant improvements in efficiency and raw power. But does it have what it takes to challenge NVIDIA's market dominance? Let's analyze the data. Performance leaks for the RX 970 XT indicate substantial improvements in gaming. Some of the early benchmark figures include Cyberpunk 2077, 4K Ultra with ray tracing 26 FPS. Cyberpunk 2077, 1440p ray tracing mode 52 FPS. Cyberpunk 2077, 1080p high settings 85 FPS. These numbers place the RX 970 XT in direct competition with NVIDIA's RTX 470 Super. When it comes to traditional rasterized gaming without ray tracing, the card appears to deliver even better performance, making it an appealing choice for high refresh rate gaming at 1440p and even 4K. Historically, AMD has lagged behind NVIDIA in ray tracing performance. However, the RX 970 XT showcases a remarkable fourfold improvement in ray tracing capabilities compared to its predecessors. AMD has made significant optimizations to its ray tracing cores and driver support, leading to smoother frame rates in demanding lighting-intensive games. If these improvements hold up in real-world scenarios, AMD may finally be able to offer a viable alternative to NVIDIA's RTX series in terms of ray tracing performance. That being said, independent benchmarks and hands-on testing will ultimately confirm whether these enhancements translate into a tangible gaming experience. NVIDIA's DLSS, Deep Learning Supersampling, has given it a significant advantage in the GPU market, providing gamers with superior upscaling and frame generation technology. AMD, however, has been refining its Fidelity FX Super Resolution, FSR, technology in an attempt to close the gap. With the RX 970 XT, AMD is introducing its most advanced AI-driven optimizations yet, including improved frame generation and upscaling for smoother gameplay, AI-powered performance boosts to maximize FPS while maintaining visual fidelity, a more intelligent adaptive resolution system for consistent performance in fast-paced gaming. If AMD successfully implements these features, it could finally present a legitimate alternative to NVIDIA's DLSS technology. One of AMD's strongest selling points has always been its aggressive pricing strategy. The RX 970 XT is rumored to launch at around $600, making it cheaper than NVIDIA's RTX 470 Super, which starts at $549. If the performance lives up to expectations, this pricing could make the RX 970 XT one of the best value GPUs for high-end gaming. By keeping prices competitive, AMD is putting pressure on NVIDIA to reconsider its pricing structure. If NVIDIA refuses to lower prices, AMD could carve out a larger market share among budget-conscious gamers who still demand high performance. High performance often comes at the cost of increased power consumption. The RX 970 XT features a triple 8-pin power connector, suggesting a higher power draw than its predecessors. While AMD claims that RDNA 4 optimizations have improved power efficiency, the actual power consumption of this GPU remains a concern. If the power draw is excessive, users may need to invest in better cooling solutions and higher wattage power supplies. This could negate the initial cost savings of choosing an AMD GPU over NVIDIA. RDNA 4 architecture and memory enhancements. The RX 970 XT is not just about raw performance. It also introduces architectural improvements through RDNA 4. Key advancements include faster memory speeds and better cache utilization, 16 GB of GDDR6 VRAM, ensuring smooth gameplay for open-world titles and VR applications, optimizations for 4K gaming, content creation, and AI workloads. These improvements make the RX 970 XT an attractive choice not just for gamers but also for professionals